If you want to check the transmission fluid on your Nissan Frontier, the process depends on whether you have an automatic or manual model. Manual transmissions don't use traditional automatic transmission fluid, ATF, in the same way, and are checked through a fill plug underneath the truck. Most automatic models, especially newer ones, may not have a visible dipstick at all. For automatic models with a dipstick, start the engine and let it idle for about 5 to 10 minutes so the transmission reaches operating temperature. Shift slowly through all gears, then return to park. Keep the engine running, parking brake engaged, and the vehicle on level ground. This is critical for an accurate reading. Pull the transmission dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again to check the level. If your Frontier does not have a dipstick, fluid is checked through a check plug underneath the vehicle while it is level and safely lifted. Many owners prefer having a shop handle this. Healthy fluid should appear reddish and clear. Dark, brown, or burnt-smelling fluid indicates wear or overheating. If topping off, use Nissan-approved ATF and add small amounts at a time to avoid overfilling.